Hello students, now today discuss the remaining properties of a definite integral. Remaining properties of a definite integral. Now the fifth property of a definite integral 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx f a minus x dx. This property are also used. This property is applicable in most of the questions on the definite integral. Property number 5 is a most important property of a definite integral. This property is applicable in most of the questions on a definite integral. It is applicable in those questions where lower limit is 0. देखो, इस प्रॉपर्टी का सबसे ज़्यादा प्रयोग होता है और ये सारे क्वेश्चन में हम इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज कर सकते हैं जिस क्वेश्चन की लोअर लिमिट 0 है। जिस क्वेश्चन की लोअर लिमिट 0 है। क्लियर है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. In this question, their lower limit is 0. In this question, their lower limit is 0. Now, I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin pi by 2 minus x dx. I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. That is second and that is first. Adding 1 and 2, we get 2i 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x dx. That's equal to 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x cos x dx multiply by 2 in numerator as well as denominator. 0 पाई बाई 2 log 2 sin x cos x dx upon 2 and 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x upon 2 dx. And the next, next 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Clear? Two x equal to t, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now 0 to pi log sin t dt 1 by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. देखो यहां पर log sin की dt है, वेरिएबल चेंज है, यहां पर चेंज ऑफ वेरिएबल, लिमिट को चेंज कर दिया जाए तो 2 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 2 बाई 2 0 टू पाई बाई 2 log sin t dt माइनस 0 टू पाई बाई 2 log 2 dx. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? I माइनस 0 टू पाई बाई 2 log 2 dx 2i and I equal to minus log 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 dx and that's equal to minus log 2 x pi by 2 0 and pi minus pi by 2 log 2. So I equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the property number 5. The question is based on the property number 5. Clear? And the property number 6. Property number 6. प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 6, 0 to 2a इंटीग्रल 0 to 2a fx dx, 0 to 2a fx dx इक्वल टू 0 to a fx dx प्लस 0 to a fx dx प्लस 0 to a f 2a minus x dx, 2a minus x dx. Now use this property in a certain questions. कुछ सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस में इस प्रॉपर्टी का उपयोग करते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट एज द प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 7. प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 7, 0 to 2a fx dx इक्वल टू 0 to a twice time 0 to a fx dx and 0. Now the condition is given, if f 2a minus x, if f 2a minus x equal to fx, f 2a minus x equal to fx, and if f 2a minus x equal to minus fx. Now use this in the property number 7. If f 2a minus x equal to fx, then 2 twice times 0 to a fx dx, and if f 2a minus x equal to minus fx, that equal to 0. And the property number 8, it is the last property, integral minus a to a fx dx, minus a to a fx dx is equal to twice times 0 to a fx dx and 0. Now the condition is f is an even function. If f is an even function, then f minus x is equal to fx. F minus x is equal to fx. If f is an odd function, then f minus x equal to minus fx. F minus x is equal to minus fx. Now use this property on the basis of some questions. इंटीग्रल -π/2 to π/2 -π/2 to π/2 sin power 7x dx sin power 7x dx let fx sin power 7x fx sin power 7x f minus x is equal to sin power 7 minus x and sin minus x minus sin 7x sin power 7x minus 7x and minus 7x is equal to minus fx. So f minus x is equal to minus of fx. Therefore f is an odd function. F is an odd function. f जो है एक ऑड फंक्शन है और यहाँ से क्या होगा, यहाँ से द वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट इक्वल टू 0. द वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट्स इक्वल टू 0, यानी इस डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू क्या होगी, 0 होगी. क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट -1 to 1 -1 to 1 sin square x I equal to f is an fx sin square x f minus x minus x sin x, that's equal to fx. That's equal to fx. f is an even function. f is an even फंक्शन. क्या है, इवन है. जब इवन है तो ट्वाइस टाइम 0 to 1 sin स्क्वायर x dx. ट्वाइस टाइम 0 to π/2 sin square x dx. Let I1 equal to 0 to 1 sin square x dx. देखो ये लिमिट गलत दे दिया है, -π/2 to π/2 है. -π/2 to π/2 है. क्लियर है. I1 ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, 0 to π sin स्क्वायर π/2 minus x dx. That's equal to 0 to π/2 cos square x dx. First, second, add 1 and 2. 2i1 equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x dx, that's equal to 0 to pi by 2 1 dx and x pi by 2 to 0, and that's equal to pi by 2. So I1 equal to pi by 4. I1 equal to pi by 4. Clear? Now I equal to 2 into pi by 4. So I equal to pi by 2. I equal to pi by 2. Clear? Okay. Thank you.